Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring access. Sign into Coinbase on the device you normally use. With two-factor authentication ready, you need uninterrupted access. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile area. This is where Wallet controls live. Make sure the app is updated and that you're not using a VPN that changes location. You do this now because Coinbase ties recovery options to account state. Being verified and secure prevents roadblocks. Once done, open Settings and choose Wallets or Security, depending on app layout. You will select the wallet type. Custodial accounts won't reveal a seed, self-custody wallets will. If you see a backup or recovery phrase option, tap it. Coinbase will re-authenticate, enter password and 2FA when prompted. Make sure to read any warnings. Revealing a recovery phrase grants full access. Pause, only continue when you're in a private, offline environment to record it safely. You now reveal the recovery phrase. Coinbase will show 12 or 24 words. Write them down, 1 word per line, using a pen and paper. Do not photograph or paste them into apps. Once written, follow Coinbase's verification step. Re-enter random words to confirm accuracy. After verification, store copies in 2 separate secure locations and consider a fireproof safe. If something goes wrong, use 2FA and account verification to regain access. If seed never appears, contact Coinbase support and don't share.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.